Aoc Q27G3Xmn best settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see Aoc Q27G3Xmn best settings. This monitor features the QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution with a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. It supports up to 180 Hz and comes with a glossy surface. Witness virtual worlds come to life on the Aoc Q27G3Xmn, featuring a VA panel with a mini LED backlit and 336 dimming zones for true blacks and bright whites. Its 2K QHD resolution ensures a high pixel density for brilliantly sharp images with the finest details. Experience ultra-smooth gameplay with a lightning-fast 180 Hz refresh rate and a 1ms GTG response time. It allows precise targeting of moving opponents while eliminating ghosting. Adaptive Sync technology ensures tear-free teamfights and stutter-free loading times for a seamless gaming experience. The three-sided frameless display offers a calibrated 134% sRGB color gamut, while VISA Display HDR 1000 enhances visuals with rich details, stunning contrast, and lifelike colors. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.